Let's look at SPM 2013 question. Here we are given the straight line AB. M is the midpoint, find coordinate point, and very simple. We use x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. The result is 1 and 2, right? That is M. Now, what is a perpendicular bisector? You're finding equation of straight line perpendicular to AB passing through M. It's a perpendicular bisector. A perpendicular bisector is a line that passes through the midpoint of a given line and of a given line perpendicular to it. So this is equal length. This is perpendicular. First, we need to find gradient of AB. Now, the easiest way to find gradient of AB is to use negative y-intercept over x-intercept. So it's negative 2. The second step, we know AB times m1 dot m2. This is your m1, this is your m2. Times together must be negative 1. m2 must be 1 over 2. Alright? Then what do I do? It's 1, 2y minus 4 perpendicular line. Yep. Now, by the way,